Hi students, welcome to all. In previous class we are discussed about addition and subtraction of the fractions. But now this video is on multiplication and division of fractions. Hi students, all of you ready to learn about multiplication and division of fractions? Yes sir. Yes sir. Okay, very good. First we have to remember that in multiplication of fraction we have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Now let us consider some examples of multiplication of fractions. Okay, in this example, here they are given 3 by 5 into 4 by 6. 3 by 5 into 4 by 6. Now it is a multiplication of fractions. Now here 3 and 4 are the numerators, 5 and 6 are the denominators. Now here we know that multiplication of fraction, in that we have to multiply directly numerator into numerator and denominators into denominators. Now here 3 into 4, multiply directly numerators into numerators, that is 3 into 4, both are numerators. Numerator into numerator dividing by denominator into denominator, that is 5 into 6. Then next 3 4s are 12. 12 dividing by 5 6 are 30. Then multiplication of 3 by 5 and 4 by 6 is 12 by 30. Now consider another one example, that is 4 by 7 into 9 by 3. Now here also we have to use this same method, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, that is 4 9s are multiply directly numerator into numerator, 4 9s are 36 dividing by, then multiply directly numerator into numerator, that is 7 3s are 21. Then multiplication of 4 by 7 and 9 by 3 is 36 by 21 is the answer. Now consider another one example, that is a third one, 4 by 6 into 7. 4 by 6 into 7. Here they are given 4 by 6 is a fraction, into here they are given only 7. If they are given only 7, then if they are not given any denominator, it is always 1. Then next here we have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominators. Then next 4 7s are 28 dividing by 6 1s are 6. Then multiplication of 4 by 6 into 7 is 28 by 6. Now consider another one example, that is in this example they are given 6 into 4 by 10. Here if they are not given any denominator, here also it is 1. Then directly numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 6 4s are 24. Then next 10 1s are 10. 10 1s are 10. Then multiplication of 6 into 4 by 10 is 24 by 10. Okay, I am going to give 3 of my students here 3 different questions on this topic. So let us see what answers they come up with. So all of you ready, students? Okay, now consider 3 examples. We have to solve one examples. Yes sir, I got answer 6 by 10. Yes sir, I got answer 27 by 34. Sir, is it correct sir? I got answer 30 by 24. Very good, all of you got correct answers. Now we are going to study about next part, that is division of fractions. Before going to study about division of fraction, first let us study about how to write the reciprocal of the fractions. For example, if they are given 3 by 6, then write the reciprocal of 3 by 6 means the reciprocal of 3 by 6 means here you have to interchange the numerator and denominator. That is the reciprocal of given fraction. The reciprocal of 3 by 6 is 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 6. Then write the reciprocal of 4 by 7. Reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4 is the reciprocal. Then reciprocal of 6 by 10 is reciprocal of 6 by 10 means here also interchange the numerator and denominator. Then it becomes 10 by 6 is the answer. Like that, if they told you to write the reciprocal of 4, if they are given only number like this, then reciprocal of 4. Listen, if they are not given any denominator, it is always 1. Then reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Interesting, the numerator and denominator. 1 by 4 is the reciprocal of 4. Then reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5, because if they are not given any denominator, it is always 1. 1 by 5. Then reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. Now here we know that how to write the reciprocal of given fractions. Now let us consider some examples of division of fractions. Okay, in this example, first one, 4 by 6 dividing by 3 by 7. 3 by 7. Here in a division of fraction, here we have to remember the one rule, that is in division of fraction, first fraction write as it is. Always first fraction write as it is, then write the reciprocal of second fraction. Always you have to write the reciprocal of second fraction. Here first fraction write as it is, then write as it is 4 by 6. Then next here division sign you have to convert to multiplication sign. Division sign, then you have to change it to multiplication sign. After changing this sign, you have to write the reciprocal of second fraction, that is 7 by 3. 3 by 7, it becomes 7 by 3. Now here already we know that the multiplication of fractions, that is directly numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Then it becomes 4 sevens are 28 dividing by, then 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. Then division of 4 by 6 and 3 by 7 is 28 by 18. Now similarly we have to consider another one example, that is 2 by 3 dividing by 6. 2 by 3 dividing by 6. Here also, which is first fraction? 2 by 3 is the first fraction, then 6 is the second fraction. Then first fraction always we have to write as it is, then it becomes 2 by 3. Then we have to change the sign, division to multiplication sign. Then 2 by 3 into, then write the reciprocal of second fraction. Reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6, because if they are not given any denominator, it is always 1. Then it becomes 1 by 6. Then multiplication of fractions. 2 ones are 2 dividing by 3 6 are 18. Then multiply, then division of 2 by 3 dividing by 6 is 2 by 18. Now consider another one example. Okay, next consider third example, that is 4 and 1 by 3 dividing by 6 and 3 by 5. Then here they are given the mixed fractions. First we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Then how you are converting mixed fraction to improper fraction? First we have to multiply whole number to the denominator. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 dividing by denominator always write as it is. Then 13 dividing by 3 dividing by the next 6 5s are 30. Multiply whole number and denominator. Afterwards we have to add it to numerator. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 dividing by 5. Then next one, here we have to divide these two fractions. Here first fraction we have to write as it is, that is 13 dividing by 3. Then we have to change the division sign to multiplication sign into. Then next write the reciprocal of second fraction. Reciprocal of 33 dividing by 5 is 5 by 33. Then next here we know that multiplication of fraction, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Then next 13 5s are 65 dividing by 33 3s are 33 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 33 3s are 99. Therefore the division of 4 and 1 by 3 and 6 and 3 by 5 is 65 dividing by 99 is the answer. Sir, I didn't understand that method. Please tell another one easy method. Okay, don't worry. We will be discussing the shortcut method as well. Now consider some more examples on the other method of division of a fraction. How to solve by using another method. Okay, if you didn't understand that method means, now consider another method. Now here consider one example, that is 2 by 6 dividing by 4 by 3. Now here we have to solve these two fractions. Division of these two fractions by another shortcut method. That is, now here you have to put the line like this. This line is a numerator. Multiplication of these two numbers is a numerator, and multiplication of these two numbers is a denominator. Then multiply first numerator. 2 3s are 6. Numerator is a 6. Then 6 4s are 24. Then the division of 2 by 6 and 4 by 3 is 6 by 24. Then consider another one. Second one, 4 by 7 dividing by 2 by 8. Now here also for the line, this line it is a numerator. Then multiply these two numbers, it is a denominator. Now 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32 is the numerator. Then 7 2s are 14 is the denominator. Now division of 4 by 7 and 2 by 8 is 32 by 14 is the answer. Which method it becomes easy, that one you have to use in the division of fractions. Okay, now is it clear? Okay, very good. Now consider another two examples. First one, 2 by 3 whole dividing by 6 by 2. It is also division of a fraction. If they are given like this, 2 by 3 dividing by 6 by 2. This method sometimes they are giving like this or sometimes they are giving like this. Both are division of fractions. Here 2 by 3 is the first fraction, 6 by 2 is the second fraction. In the division of fraction, first fraction we have to write as it is 2 by 3. And we have to change the division to multiplication sign. Then we have to write the reciprocal of this second fraction. Reciprocal of 6 by 2 is 2 by 6. Then multiplication of fractions. 2 2s are 4 dividing by 3 6 are 18. Then division of 2 by 3 and 6 by 2 is 4 by 18. Like that, we have to solve another one example. Consider second example, 4 by 6 dividing by 2 by 8. How you are dividing? Here also division of fraction. First fraction write as it is 4 by 6. Then next second write the division sign to multiplication sign. Then we have to write the reciprocal of 2 by 8. Reciprocal of 2 by 8 is 8 by 2. Then write the then multiply these two fractions. 4 8s are 32 dividing by 6 2s are 12. Then division of 4 by 6 and 2 by 8 is 32 by 12. Okay students, thank you for watching this video. Thank you sir. Thank you sir.